In this video, I'm going to explain how to use in-text citations and how to incorporate the author's name as an introductory phrase whenever you are paraphrasing and quoting. So I've highlighted the examples here. So the first one is this sentence: a key article in composition that defines rad research in the field is Haswell's 2005 NCTE CCCC's recent War on Scholarship published in Written Communication. I'm using APA style here, and what I want to show you is that in APA you include the author's name, usually in the sentence directly, and then you include the year directly after the author's name in parentheses like I have here. In the next sentence, I include a quote, and so I want to show you how whenever you quote in APA, it's best to include the author's name in the signal phrase. In other words, this material that comes before the quote is called an introductory phrase or a signal phrase. So I have Haswell 2005, I have my quote, and then I have my page number after the quote. So notice that both whenever I paraphrase, such as in this sentence here, where I'm just kind of introducing the article without actually quoting from it, I still have to include the author name and year. Plus, whenever you're quoting, you need the author name and year. Now, you have another option whenever you're quoting. You could include the author name and year at the end of the sentence, like so. So instead of saying Haswell 2005 directly in the text, I changed it to one scholar argues, and then I put the name at the end. This is again APA. If you're using MLA, you would just take out the year, the letter P, and the commas, and just have the last name and the page numbers. Now, in another example here that I've highlighted, again, make sure that, or notice that I've included the author's names and years even though I'm not quoting. So anytime I'm paraphrasing, for example here I'm talking about this rad research rubric, I still give you the author's names for who developed the rubric. So make sure that anytime you include any information at all about another source and any information that's not general knowledge, that you include the author's names, the year, and then the in-text citation.